Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rajendra Nayaga Andiano Abimata Faras, and I want to presentation of the scaling course. Okay, lesson 1. Course introduction. Why autoscaling matters in code environments. Autoscaling is critical in code environment to handle dynamic work efficiently. Without it, manual scaling lead to slow response time, resource waste, and costly downtime during an unexpected traffic spike. Learning objective: understand core autoscaling concept, master operation tags, and manage code efficiently through smart scaling stagger. Practical example: a retail website manual manage each server during a flash sale. The team failed to scale up in time, causing a complete outtake for 14.5 minutes. This real-world further illustrates exactly why autoscaling is essential. It automates capacity adjustments instantly, preventing downtime and revenue loss. And what is autoscaling? A listen to automatic resource adjustment based on demand. Okay, as number 1, core concept. Autoscaling automatic adjust computing resource, adding or removing instances in responsive to real-time workload demand ensures optimal performance at all this time. And number 2, key benefits. Cost saving by paying only for what you see, improved performance under variable load, and high availability through automatic instance replacement and reducing. And last, number 3, practical example. An e-commerce platform automatically scales from 5 to 15 servers during Black Friday traffic surges, then scales back down, maintaining performance while managing costs. Okay, next. Auto-scaling function: monitoring, launching, terminating, installing, and maintaining high availability. It's number 3. And number 1, monitor resource, and 2, launch and terminate, and 3, load balancer. Okay, next. Auto-scaling concept. Scaling group. Number 1, a logical collection of instance managed together, metric and threshold determine when scaling attached are automatically triggered. Number 2, scaling policy. Scaling on scale out rules based on certain conditions, device minimum, maximum, and receiving capacity. And number 3, per rate. Example: using CPU usage with only 5 minutes. Cooldown to prevent too frequent and unstable scaling event. And next, auto-scaling coincident. Metric and ambang. Choose metric append to your workload, CPU, memory, and network, and set a process threshold. For example, use memory urgency for database heavy application, not just CPU utilization. And 2, tip instance. Determine the instance type and minimum or maximum capacity limits that meet your application needs. Consider the impact of scaling on the performance and the overall use experience. And number 3, failover and reduction. Plan failover and reduction stages to ensure high available distribution station across multiple FLB zones to avoid a single point of failure. The next, lesson 6, cost models and optimized triggers, billing methods of auto-scaling. Number 1, pay as you go. Billing is based on actual instant time. You only pay for the compute resource consumed while instant are running, making auto-scaling internet costs even for variable work. Number 2, scaling cost impact. It scale out even as intense and inserts cost while scale reduce it. Frequent scaling fronts can lead to an unexpected charge if cooldown periods and thresholds are not properly configured. And number 3, cost optimization. Example, schedule scaling during off-peak hours, e.g. night or weekend, to minimize idle instant use icing, and schedule scaling policy to align capacity with demand and reduce monthly bills. Okay, the next, lesson 7, auto-scaling operation, managing scaling groups and monitoring activity. Auto-scaling operation involve managing the full life cycle of scaling group, from creation and configuration to monitoring and termination operation, operators, configuration, scaling policy, set capacity limit, and track scaling even to most application remain available and cost even under frame full works. Practical example, create an auto-scaling group with a minimum of 2 instances and a maximum of 10. As traffic is installed automatically, launch and monitor all scaling events, including launch and terminator activity via the cloud dashboard to maintain visibility and control. Okay, next, operasi konfigurasi scaling. Lesson 8, creating and managing scaling group configuration. These are 3. Create modify group in number 1. Number 2, set min, max and desired capacity. And number 3, launch template configuration. Okay, next, operation of scaling rules. Lesson 9, managing scaling policy and rules. Is 3. In number 1, policy types. Policy types. The scaling policy type simple fixed adjustment step increment based on alarm, blast and target tracking automatically adjust to maintain to specific meter target. And number 2, threshold and alarms. The cloud watch alarm with meter to trigger scaling action. Set upper and lower bounds to control scaled and scaled event precisely for your work. Testing rules is number 3. Example, target tracking policy configuration to maintain CPU utilization at 15%. Auto scaling continue adjust instant count to keep CPU near the target tested in staging before production deployment. Next, lesson 10, triggering text auto-scaling text trigger operation. Auto-scaling can be triggered automatically based on metric or custom event integration with monitoring tools like Amazon CloudWatch allow the system to detect allowed change in real time and respond by launching of terminal instance as needed. Practical example. When network traffic is especially toward a CloudWatch alarm automatically triggers a scale-off process. A DNUS intends to handle the traffic spike without manual intervention, maintains application performance and availability. And last, lesson 11. Schedule tasks. Operation of schedule tasks in autoscaling. Schedule scaling automates resource adjustment based on predictable traffic patterns. Define scale up and scale down times to match down demand cycles such as business hours, weeks, maintenance window, reduction, manual intervention on, and optimize costs. For example, schedule a scaled up action 8 a.m. to handle morning office hour traffic and a scaled down action and 8 p.m. when demand drops is issue ensures capacity during peak hours while managing costs during off-peak period ultimately. Okay, is for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.